little ones. Welcome back for the second session of animals and their young ones. Children, do you all remember what we had learned in the previous session? Yes, we had learned about small babies. Whose babies? Babies of different animals, right? So, let's revise them once again orally and also practice writing the same. Animals and their babies. Sheep. Young one of sheep is called lamb. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Cat. Young one of cat is called kitten. C-A-T. Cat. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Next. Horse. Young one of horse is called foal. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. F-O-A-L. Foal. This is a duck. Young one of duck is called duckling. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. Elephant. Young one of the elephant is called calf. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. C-A-L-F. Calf. Lion. Young one of lion is called cub. L-I-O-N. Lion. C-U-B. Cub. Goat. Young one of goat is called kid. G-O-A-T. Goat. K-I-D. Kid. Next. Dog. Young one of dog is called pup. D-O-G. Dog. P-U-P. Pup. Children, I hope you have definitely practiced writing and also learned these spellings. Right. Let's write them once again. We shall start with today's date. That is 2/6/26. Dot 11/11.20. 26 November 2020. Now take a scale, place it in the middle and draw a straight line till the end of the page like this. Then we'll write the heading capital A N I M A L S. Animals. And here young ones. Y capital O U N G. Young. One finger space. Again O capital N E S. Animals and young ones. We will be writing 8 names, so we shall number them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Without leaving a line. Let's start with the first animal name. Sheep. S capital, small h, E, E again, P. Sheep. Next. Cat. C capital. Small a, T, cat. Next, horse, H capital. Small o, R, S, E, horse. Next, D capital. Small u, C, K, duck. Next, elephant, E capital. L, E, P, H, A, N, T, elephant. Next, capital. Small I, O, N, lion. Next, G capital. O, A, T, goat. Next, D capital. O, G, dog. Now let's write the young ones. Young one of sheep is lamb. So L capital, small a, M, B, lamb. Next, young one of cat is called kitten. K capital, I, T, T, E, N, kitten. One of horse is called foal. F capital, O, A, L, foal. Young one of duck is D capital, small u, C, K, L, I, N, G, duckling. Next is elephant. Young one of elephant, calf. C capital, A, L, F, calf. Next, lion, cub. C capital, small u, B, cub. One of goat is kid. K capital, small I, D, kid. Young one of dog is pup. P capital, U, P, pup. Now kids, let's repeat them once again. S, H, E, E, P, sheep. Young one of sheep, lamb. L, A, M, B, lamb. Next, C, A, T, cat. Young one of cat, K, I, T, T, E, N, kitten. Horse, H, O, R, S, E, horse. F, O, A, L, foal. Next, D, U, C, K, duck. D, U, C, K, L, I, N, G, duckling. Next, E, L E P H A N T, elephant. C A L F, calf. Next, L I O N, lion. Young one, C U B, cub. Next, G O A T, goat. K I D, kid. And the last one is D O G, dog. Young one of dog, pup. P U P, pup. Do revise all these 8 animals' name with your young ones and also learn the spellings by heart. Now, solution for the worksheet that was given in the previous session. In this worksheet, we had to trace the path to help the animals to reach their young ones. So let's start. The first animal is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. So kids, the young one of sheep is lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. So let's trace it. Can you see that? Yes. The next animal is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Young one of horse is called foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Let's trace it. Now, the next animal is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Young one of elephant is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. So let's trace it. So kids, I hope you have all done it the same way. Do you all remember? In the previous sessions, you all had learned names of animals, birds, insects and water animals, right? Now, let's revise them orally once again. Let's revise spellings of few animals which we have already learned in the previous sessions. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Next. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Next. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Next. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Now, let's revise names of few birds. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Now children, let's revise spellings of few insects. Honeybee. H-O-N-E-Y-B-E-E. Honeybee. Next, caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. Next, ladybird. L-A-D-Y-B-I-R-D. Ladybird. Now children, let's revise names of few water animals. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Next is shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Next animal we have octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Children, keep practicing and also revising the spellings of all the animals and their young ones. I shall see you in the next session. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.